Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your Love Bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, right? You know that, and will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So without further delay, let's get on to your reading, Libra. Of course, I must welcome all my subscribers back, and if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us, we welcome you in. Alright Libra, I have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, center of my spread. Nine of Swords in reverse as well as our overall energy, which is a good card to have in reverse. Somebody wants to get out of, this thinking of having sleepless nights or being worried all the time. I think somebody now wants to come forward and be the person that anyone would desire, right? The King of Pentacles wants to come with, look at this pentacle that they are holding, right? This is a person who takes charge of a connection, who provides, and is like that husband material, I would say. But this pentacle is on offer now. They want to offer it to somebody. If you notice very carefully, this pentacle they're holding is the same pentacle, right? This is the pentacle I want to offer now, and I want to offer it to somebody who I want to have a partnership with, an equal partnership. Six of Pentacles. They want to do it now before they lose that opportunity, because I think a lot of delay has already happened in them coming forward with this offer. They feel, I don't want to spend the rest of my life now regretting that I didn't take the chance when I had it, right? I have a feeling they don't have much hope that it'll be accepted, but they do want to work on this connection. They do want to. They are very frustrated, Libra. I don't know which side you're on, but they are either frustrated because they wish to come forward with that love offer, or they are frustrated because they feel that person may be already with somebody new. Okay, because the Knight of Cups sometimes also means new love. So the frustration is there either as to how to offer this, or the fear of feeling that maybe it's too late already. So let's start with some dialogue message cards here for you, Libra. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we clarify these cards. So Libra and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and person, thank you. I'm going to take a few more, Libra, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. And a couple more from here, Libra. And if you enjoyed the reading, Libra, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the videos to circulate. All right. So the first one here says, I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There's no escape for me when I try and move on. I'm haunted even more. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? Two cards. Somebody is haunted by the thoughts of their person. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is showing you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, life, and soul. Being a faithful and reliable partner always. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I think I should name this reading something haunted, okay? Third card saying, I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I will love you to infinity. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. Somebody is desperate now. I haven't been happy for a long time. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. Well, this could be the other person now because of this delay, and no wonder this frustration is there because maybe they see their person moving on to a new love or a new direction, saying, hey, it hurts me to say, but I think we should go our separate ways. Okay, Libra, so these were some of your messages. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we begin our reading. So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message: be brave. I don't know which side you're on, Libra, but this card is for you, my Librans out there. Be brave. Either to approach this person, don't be scared. If you are the one who has to take the offer, and if you're on the other side, well, if the other person tries to intimidate you, fight with you into saying yes, and you don't want to say yes and you want to go your separate ways, well, the choice is yours, right? You can decide, you have free will to take charge of your own life. But here, from what I'm feeling, somebody needs the courage to come forward after this long delay. All right, so King of Pentacles, since you're sitting here so handsome, first card out in the upright, I'm going to give this King of Pentacles the mic and ask this King of Pentacles what they want to say. King of Pentacles. Okay, one more. Oh, King of Pentacles says, I'm haunted. I'm haunted with all these swords in my head. Why? Because there is silence. My person is not talking to me. Swords, 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 10 swords, 4 swords. Why? Because they feel, there's silence and the other person has probably gone quiet on them or something. They're fearing it's totally over. Well, they are ready. They are ready to offer a Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, but they are feeling... They're feeling they don't know how to take action. They want to offer this Ace of Pentacles, Libra. This King of Pentacles does want to offer this, but they don't know how to take this action because they feel this Queen of Cups, as much as they love this Queen of Cups, they feel this Queen of Cups has shut them out now. That love that was on offer is now, that cup is shut now. Why? Because they feel this Queen of Cups feels... They see them in the light of being a heartbreaker or a promise breaker or a flirt. So they're a little intimidated because they are realizing that this new beginning that I want to offer may just get rejected. This Queen of Cups is going to reject me on sight because of my past behavior. 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, this King of Pentacles is feeling left out in the cold. They feel the Queen of Cups has left them, walked away from them, and left them feeling absolutely down under, right? Haunted and down under. So this King of Pentacles, as much as they are now ready, they want this partnership big time. But somewhere they feel this, somebody's already left them behind and walked away. 5 of Cups in reverse. 5 of Cups in reverse. Okay. And the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. One more. I think this is the other person. Okay. And the Star card. Star card. Oh, Okay, so yeah, this could be the same person. Okay, so yes, they are going back and forth in their mind. They're going back and forth in their mind about how they can come out of the cold now, out of this place where they keep looking back at all the wrongs that were done, the guilt that they feel about, everything falling down, I guess, in this connection. They keep going and back and forth about what they can do now to end this fight. They already know that too much of delay has already happened in this connection, and they're suffering from some bad luck here. Things are stuck. They're frustrated, and how? I mean, second time the Knight of Swords has come out. They know that they have caused this argument or fight to happen. They are the cause of this tower falling down, and also that they never offered what they are now willing to offer. Right? So this person knows their own faults, at least. That's the good thing. And that's why they're feeling a lack of hope. They feel, well, confused. They're totally confused. How do I achieve my 10 of Cups now? The stress and worry is like eating away at them. Eating away to them, that what do I do? So there's so much in confusion and worry about how do I achieve my 10 of Cups now, right? So, Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Yeah, they don't want to lose their Two of Cups, Spirit says. This card was lying on the side, I didn't even see it. So they're very worried, Spirit says. This worry is because they are losing a very important soulmate in their life. And that thought haunts them. And they also know it's their own fault, and that's doubly, I think, the problem here, because they are blaming themselves for whatever mess has happened here. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Oh, they do want to put in the work now. They do want to put in the work. They want to apologize. They want to come forward and say, hey, I'm sorry. I'm ready to do it now. What I didn't do in the past. Forget one pentacle. I'll create pentacle after pentacle. I'll keep putting the work in. Just forgive me once. So, but why is the Knight of Swords in reverse then, Spirit? Knight of Swords in reverse. Knight of Swords is in reverse because as much as this person wants to go back to their person, they feel they're frustrated. They're very frustrated. They're very agitated, angry, frustrated, because they somewhere feel that their person has already made the choice to shut them out. They're frustrated because they don't know whether that door is even open or even a window is open now for them to get back in. And when they think of that, they go right back into depression, right back into feeling sad. What's this Knight of Cups then, Spirit? Knight of Cups. Yes, that's the problem. See, they feel that the fear is, this is the fear, right? The fear is that my person will never look at me with those eyes again. They want to be seen as this King of Pentacles, right? This is what they want to show now, that I've matured up, or accept me now in my new avatar. But the frustration, the fear is that my person will never see me with those eyes again, because I've behaved like a King of Pentacles in reverse in the past, being very selfish and greedy and chasing money and not interested in love. So as much as they want to take that love offer, they are fearing that they're not going to get a second chance. Right? And also the fear is that that person could have already taken off for a new beginning elsewhere. So they are haunted. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.